How's it going? Welcome back to the shop, and today I am super excited because the frame is done. Almost done. It's glued up, ready for finish, and I am very excited. It seems like it took forever, but it's here. I think the half lap joints are plenty strong enough, but I may end up adding some sort of mechanical connector to the back just in case. There's also some glue squeeze out in some of the joints, so I'm gonna just hit that with a little bit of sandpaper just to make sure that the finish sticks to those areas. And finally, we are off to finishing. So typically for walnut, I would just add maybe 5 or 6 coats of wipe on poly. I really like that sort of chocolatey brown color that the walnut turns with just a plain poly coat. But in this case, I am matching an existing piece of art in the bathroom, so I'm gonna have to do some staining. It doesn't have to match perfectly, but just close enough that the two of them won't clash when they're within a few feet of each other. So I have a few test pieces here and just a bunch of different stains that I kind of had laying around the house. And out of all of these, I think that this dark walnut actually matches the artwork that we're trying to match the closest. It's not perfect, but I think it's close enough for what we're doing. I don't think I've ever actually put one type of wood stain on itself, so walnut on walnut or cherry on cherry. But there you have it. After just one coat, it wasn't quite dark enough. So typically for a top coat, I'll do a few coats of wipe on poly. In this case, what I'm going to do is just to try to mix some of the stain into the poly for the top coats. So each poly coat will maybe darken it up just a little bit more. That should give me a little bit more control onto how dark it gets. I've never done this, so we'll see how it goes. The stain application is fairly typical, so I'll just flood the surface, then wipe it off after about 10 minutes or so, let it dry for a little while, probably a day in my case, and then start wiping on the poly stain mix. In between coats, I'll lightly sand with 400 or so grit sandpaper, and then before the last coat, just something a lot higher than that. I'll also thin the last coat down quite a bit just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. And that's it for the finish. Overall, I think it looks pretty good. Matches close enough to fit in. So the only steps left are to actually put the mirror in, add the LEDs, and then mount it to the wall. And that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.